lights, music. Let's get into the video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be doing a video that a lot of you have been asking for quite some time. This is probably going to be one of the most colorful videos that you ever watch, because today we're going to be looking at some RGB lighting stuff. Let's get into it. Now, today I'm going to be looking at some of the best RGB lighting products on the market, some of which, as you can see, I have in my studio already, and some others which I am hoping to one day get myself. And we're also going to be looking at some of the more top-end, pricier end of the scale kind of RGB things, as well as a few more budget-friendly things for those of you who aren't ready to splash the cash just yet. And I'm hoping that by the end of this video, you guys will have a much clearer view of the RGB lighting products that are out there on the market. So let's take a look at some of them now. Now, if there's anything that I have missed from this video, or if there is something else that you would like to know, feel free to drop it down in the comments below the video and I will have a look through and respond to them all. Or if you would like to have a more in-depth conversation about anything from today's video or any of my other videos, I do stream over on Twitch every Monday to Friday. So feel free to drop on by one of the streams and we can have a much more in-depth conversation about it. I love chatting with you guys, so I hope to maybe see you guys in there maybe at some point. Anyways, back to the RGB stuff. Alright, so the first product that I want to talk about today is Nanoleaf. Now, these are the panels which you can see behind me on the wall. They are super stylish wall mountable panels which are fully modular, meaning that you can choose any shape or style which fits your vibe, and they have incredible customization through the companion app you can get, which comes with thousands of pre-made scenes which you can choose from and download at just the press of a button. Or if you would like to, you could use the in-app tool to create your own scenes of any color or style for whatever fits your vibe. There is also a third-party plugin that you can download for them, which makes them fully integrated with all of your Twitch alerts, so you can get the panels to flash or change their style whenever you get a follow or a sub or anything like that, which is a very cool little feature to have. Nanoleaf do have other shapes and styles available, so you don't have to just get the triangular panels like I have. There are other ones out there on their website, so I will leave a link to that down in the description. And if you are looking to nab some and want to save a little bit extra, then if you head to checkout and use code royalty10, that will get you a cheeky little 10% off at checkout. Now, if Nanoleaf happens to be outside of your price range, have no fear, because Cololight have you covered. Now, these are the little hexagonal lights which you can see over on the desk behind me, and they are very similar to Nanoleaf in that they are fully modular, so you can shape them in any style of your choice. They are fully customizable, as they come with a fantastic companion app that allows you to customize the brightness, the color, the style, and everything like that. And they also do come with wall mounting kits, so if you did want to put them up on the wall, you can do, or you can just have them styled in a similar way to how I do, sat on the desk like that. Or they do come with starter packs which come with these stylish little bases so that you can have them anywhere. I actually use this set as a lamp in my bedroom rather than having a more conventional one, because it was cheap and they look fantastic. So if you wanted to do something similar to that, you can do. And again, if you would like to bag yourself a set for a little bit cheaper, head to the link in the description, and if you use code SPUD at checkout, you can nab yourself a lovely 10% off. Now, this next one is by far the cheapest and easiest way to add a colorful glow to the room around you, and that is adding LED strip lighting. Now, you can add these to absolutely any everyday object within your room to add that little bit of a colorful glow to them and give them that extra pop and make them look very vibrant. It is super cheap and easy to get a hold of strip lighting, and they can be added to almost anything in your room. So we're talking desks, shelves, TVs, anything like that. I have strip lighting underneath the desk behind me. I also have it underneath my main computer desk, and on the back of my monitor mount, and the back of my TV, and the back of the cube shelving that the TV is sat on top of. It is super easy to add LED strip lighting to any piece of furniture within your room, and it quickly gives you that wonderful colorful glow that you can see in this room right now. So they are super nice to have around, and they are super cheap if you are looking to get RGB lighting on more of a budget. There are many different versions of LED strip lighting on the market at the moment, ranging from more budget ones to more premium ones. I am currently using Govee strip lights, which are the best budget strip lights that I have found on the market. They come with a companion app which allows you to customize from millions of different colors and shades, and it also comes with integration for things like Alexa and Google Home, and they come in many different lengths, which means that you can pretty much add them to anything that you would like. Cololight, who I mentioned a little bit earlier in the video, are in the process of bringing out their first LED strip lighting as well, which I am super excited to get my hands on at some point. I will be doing a review video when I do manage to get a hold of some, so keep an eye out for that. And there are also more premium versions on the market. Companies such as Philips Hue and LifeX make fantastic kits of LED strip lighting. They are a lot more expensive. However, they do look absolutely fantastic, and they come with incredible customization and integration with other things. I myself would like to try and get my hands on some one day, but like I say, they are more premium. So if you are on a bit of a budget, you may want to look for some of the other companies such as Govee or Cololight when they release theirs. Again, for those of you who are looking to get some RGB lighting on a bit more of a budget, this is the part of the video where I will give you a couple of other options which will not break the bank and will still make your room look absolutely fantastic. So one thing that you can do is pick yourself up some little LED floodlights off Amazon. You can get them super cheap. I haven't got any myself, but I know friends and other streamers who have had them, and they say that they are absolutely fantastic. You can light up entire sections of your room using them, and they cost next to nothing. So if you are looking for just a quick and simple way to light up a section of your room, then LED floodlights are definitely the way to go. You can also grab yourself some colorful light bulbs, which can add a lovely colorful glow in the background. There are many cheap versions out there from places like Amazon, or I know that there are a lot of cheap stores which sell that kind of stuff as well. Or if you were looking for something a little bit more premium, Philips Hue have a fantastic range of colorful light bulbs, which also come with added integration for Razer Chroma, which means that you can sync them up with many of your PC devices and peripherals. Or they do also come with integration directly to Twitch, which means that you can get them to change color and style with all of your Twitch alerts, all of your stream alerts. Whenever you get something like a follow or a sub, they will flash up in different colors, which is definitely a very cool feature to have with them. But if you don't need anything like that, there are plenty of cheap versions out there, which means that you can get the room looking spectacular on more of a budget. And that about wraps up the RGB lighting video. There are still a couple of other products on the market that I would like to review at some point. Things such as the LifeX beams. That is something that I am hoping to get my hands on at some point, and I will do a review video at some point in the future when I get my hands on them. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you found it very helpful and informative. If you have any questions about any of the products that I have listed on the video today, or any RGB lighting products in general, feel free to drop them down in the comments below the video. I very much look forward to seeing what you guys have to say. And if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like on it. It really helps support the channel. And if you are enjoying the content, feel free to drop a subscription on the channel as well. If you want to talk more in depth about any of this stuff or any of the stuff from my videos, feel free to drop on by my Twitch channel. I stream every Monday to Friday. I will drop a link down in the description, so feel free to come on by. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a great day. See you later.